How to log out of your Instagram account from other devices on Android. This tutorial shows you how to remotely sign out of anywhere your account is still logged in. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right to go to Settings. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Account Center. From there, tap on Password and Security to open your security settings. At this stage, let me show you. Tap on where you're logged in to see all the devices currently signed into your account. Following this, you'll see a full list of all active sessions, including the device type and location. Scroll through and find any device you don't recognize or want to log out of. Once done, tap on the session you want to remove. From there, tap on Logout to remotely sign out of that device. At this stage, repeat the same steps for any other devices you want to remove from your account. From here, if you want to log out of all devices at once, look for the option that says Log Out of All Sessions and tap on it to sign out everywhere in one go. Here's an important note. If you see devices or locations you don't recognize, it's a sign that someone else may have access to your account. After logging them out, make sure to change your password immediately to secure your account. And that's it. If this guide helped you log out of Instagram from other devices, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.